Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Garmin Fenix 6. To begin, power on your device by holding the light button for a few seconds. Next, select your preferred language from the list. Then, download the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone and follow the instructions to pair your watch. This initial synchronization will transfer your basic profile information and get your Fenix 6 ready for its first use, ensuring a smooth start to your fitness journey. Now, let's personalize your watch. Navigate to the settings menu to adjust your user profile, including your age, weight, and height, for accurate data tracking. You can also configure specific activity profiles for different sports, like running or swimming, customizing the data screens to show metrics most important to you. Don't forget to set up smart notifications to receive alerts from your phone directly on your wrist, keeping you connected without constantly checking your phone. For optimal performance, connect your external sensors. Easily pair devices like a heart rate monitor or a speed and cadence sensor through the watch's settings. Before any outdoor activity, ensure your GPS is enabled and has acquired a satellite signal for precise location tracking. It's also wise to calibrate your altimeter and compass for accurate environmental data. Remember to manually sync your device regularly to upload your activity data and keep everything up to date. Finally, explore some essential features and tips. Familiarize yourself with the various widgets and controls accessible from your watch face. You can also download and install custom watch faces and apps from the Connect IQ store to enhance functionality. Understand the different battery saving modes to optimize your battery life, potentially extending it by several days. Regularly updating your device software ensures you benefit from the latest features and performance improvements, keeping your Fenix 6 at its best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.